Hi there, I'm Yaurana. Today I would like to introduce you the step called Varu. The Varu is a height shape movement, hip movement that you can do with lifting your feet and playing with your knees. So let me show you from the back. So you need to have your dancer posture. You have to bend your knees and you have to go in the front right with your right hips and then back and cross to the front left and back left and cross right, back, cross front, back, cross front, back. And you can see I'm lifting my feet here, just the back of my feet, and you try to go more round now, round and round and round, and you lift the opposite feet, hop, 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 and hop. Keep going, it's good. If you have any question about this step, you can drop it in comment or send me a DM Instagram.